Hold on. Okay, now I'm recording. Where's the flame?
Yeah, here it is, right
Should
here.
we all take cover?
It's tiny, but I hope it's explosive.
And Bryce, you'll be doing the honors by holding it in your hands when it blows off.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Dude, you should have done like a Beavis and Butthead thing right there.
Okay.
Fucking idiot! I'm not gonna actually hold it. Fuck you. All right, do it on the ground, you asshole.
Just do it, Nick.
Fucking light.
Trying to get the fucking
Let me
line.
see.
So much
Block
wind.
the wind, you idiots.
Hello, Mr. Firecracker. Walk
Oh, you
over
can phone
there.
like that. That'd be funny.
Fuck! Oh, it's sparkly. It's just a sparkler. I thought it was gonna be like a loud pop.
It's running into my red nuts.
Okay, dude, that's pretty cool.
Okay, I was gonna laugh because it's like
Dude, look,
exploding.
like burnt out to nothing.
And then it
Let's launch all of them at once.